At the end of our Mexico City trip, we decided to go to airport by metro. In this video, we will tell you how to go from city center to Mexico City International Airport. The airport is in Terminal Aerea Station. Garibaldi is a station in city center. From Garibaldi Station, you should take the grey B line all the way to Oceania Station. You transfer to yellow line, which is line 5 in Oceania Station, to the direction of Pantetlan and go only one station to Terminal Aerea.
Now it is the end of our trip and we are trying to get to the Mexico International Airport, Mexico City International Airport, by public transportation. It's only 5 pesos per person. You can buy a one-way ticket from the ticket booth, which is called taquilla, and then probably from the city center you're going to take the gray line. So make sure you get on the right direction, which is Ciudad Azteca, and then you have to transfer to the yellow train, so you should get off at the Terminal Aerea Station, which is inside Terminal 1 directly actually. So now we are waiting for the gray line, and after we are in the Garibaldi Station now, and then we will get off in Oceania Station and transfer to the yellow train. From there we will get off in Terminal Aerea Station, hopefully. It should take around 30 to 35 minutes. We will update it once we get there. We are in Oceania Station and we are transferring to the yellow line, so we should go to the direction of Pantetlan, and just we'll go one more station from the yellow line and we will get up in Terminal Aerea. Now we are waiting for our second train in the Oceania Station, and I think it will be here any minute now. We're just going to go one station to the direction of Pantetlan, and hopefully we'll make it to the Mexico International Airport for 5 pesos per person. Now this is our last train, the yellow line from Station Oceania to Station Terminal Aerea. So it's not so crowded, but the previous train was very crowded. Now we arrived in the Terminal Aerea Station, and we are going to exit. And be in the airport. Now you should follow the sign to Salida, which means exit, to Al Aeropuerto Internacional, which means it will directly take us to the airport. It took us around 40 minutes, maybe 35. Now I think we're gonna do 5 minutes of walking, so maybe you should spare like an hour. Now you should follow the signs. follow the signs to Aeropuerto Internacional Benito Juárez. Now we got out of the station and we are walking to the airport. There are signs everywhere, so it's not, I think, so possible to get lost. So if you have an hour until your check-in time, you can make your way to the airport with the metro. It's not so comfortable, but it's not so bad either. So it's worth it, I think, for 5 pesos. So we made it to the airport in like 2 minutes after we exited the station. This is the domestic arrivals door, but still, we'll make our way inside the airport. Check-in line. This time we are flying with Viva Aerobus, and our check-in is just like 10 people in front of us. So I think it will be quick, so we don't have any bags.
Before taking a flight in Mexico, you have to fill in a COVID-19 health questionnaire. Just scan the QR code and fill it, then show it to the security when entering the plane.
Now we have passed the security after our check-in, but they took our yogurt. We had some fruit yogurt with us. They took it, and now we are walking to our gate, which is, they told us, gate B. Everywhere is so crowded. We found gate B now.
El tener tus papeles listos antes de llegar a mostrador para realizar tu check-in agilizará el proceso. Mantén la sana distancia.
A y F se encuentran ubicados junto a una ventanilla, mientras que los asientos con letras C y D están ubicados junto al pasillo.